Now we are coming with new topic data science with the artificial intelligence by the skill Gurukul. Let's start. What is the AI? AI is just the ability of the machine to mimic the human intelligence, learning, reasoning, problem solving, and decision making. Now, what is the data science? Data science is combination of the math, statistics, and programming and business acumen, business logic. So in data science involves the collection of the data from the various source, cloud and any flat file, any other kind of the XML file, JSON file, and then they cleaning the data and pre-processing the data, and after that they exploring and visualization the pattern using the various tool, Tableau, NIM, and Power BI, and after that they are using the ML, building the predictive analysis using the model, and then it help to making the decision making. Now main component of the AI, first is the machine learning, where the AI learn from the past data or historical data and improve without the being explicitly programmed. Second number is deep learning. So that is a subset of the ML. That is a natural network, especially for the imaging, voice, and text data processing. Third one is the natural language processing. It helps to AI understand the respond in the human language, chatbot, translation. Fourth one is the computer vision that enable to see the imaging and videos. Example is the face recognition. And fifth one is the robotics. That robotics also combine the AI with the physical machine to perform the task, warehouse robot and other robotics. And sixth one is the expert system, that is the mimic the human expert decision making. Example, medical diagnosis tool. Next is the main component of the data science. So in data science, we need to collect the data from the various source using the APIs, database files, and web etc. After that, while we collecting the data, then we need to cleaning the data. We handling the missing values, removing the duplicates, and formatting data, prepare the data. And third one is the exploratory data analysis, where we need to find out the visualizing trend, story outliers, and distribution using the graph. Fourth one is the feature engineering, where we transform the raw data into the useful features, modeling, create new variables, convert time series, and then we adding the few more things to garnish the data. Fifth one is the machine learning and make model. We are using the machine learning programming language where we train the model and using some algorithm from the historical data, then we predict the value and detect the pattern and using into the visualization. And last one is the data visualization, where we are using the data visualization tool and pass the prepared data, Power BI, Tableau, Python libraries. We can able to see the data visualization. Fourth one, that how AI and data science work together. All technology is working together. We can see that data collection and cleaning. So AI can automate the cleaning and anomaly detection. Where data EDA, so AI suggests the pattern and relationships. Feature engineering, AI auto-generate the new feature using the ML. Predictive modeling, AI via ML or deep learning build the smart prediction model, where we are using Python and Scala and R language. Decision making, AI help or gives the recommendation, fraud detection, and any kind of the sentiment analysis. Deployment, AI model can be deployed using the smart APIs, smart applications. What tool we can use into the AI and data science? In case of the programming, we can use the Python, R, and Scala as well. And data analysis, Pandas, NumPy, and SQL. For visualization, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Power BI, Tableau. For machine learning, Scikit-learn and XGBoost. Deep learning, TensorFlow and PyTorch. For big data, we can use the Spark, Hadoop, Snowflake, Big Data Query. And then model deployments, we are using the Flask, Flask API, Databricks, Azure, GCP, AWS. These are the big platform where you can deploy their model. And the real world, we are using the AI and data science together. That is the healthcare, where the disease prediction from the patient data and so many analysis on the healthcare data. In finance, credit card scoring, fraud detection, banking term, retailing, the customer segment analysis, demand forecasting, inventory optimization, manufacturing, automobile also using the AI and data science, where they predict the maintenance using sensor. They are making a warning before the car part fails using IoT or historical data. HR and recruitment also using the resume screening using the NLP, natural language, and identifying the missing team. Will come with the each topic with practical knowledge, and subscribe our channel. We keep you upskilling.